Hi, it's the Ampere OPPO Pad Air, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So here we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click yes, agree, click close. Then on the left down corner tap to OK, and we'll see here information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 26 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.